So I've measured out 12 ounces of soap, and I cut it into little pieces so that they melt easily. And this time I'm going to do Gardenia, which is so close to the Kai. I'm going to use the same jar because there's Gardenia in that other scent. And I'm going to leave it the white color, so I'm going to cut these into little pieces. Need to have a pretty good wrist after a while. And there, they all fit into the Pyrex, and I'm going to melt it in the microwave. Now I have it out, and you can see it's melted. It took me about 1:20 seconds. I'm going to be sure all the little, because there's a couple little lumps. Melt what's on my spoon, too. So I'd like to stir, 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 stir without making too many bubbles. And I can tell the temperature with my hand, and it's doing good. Check for the lumps, and just because bubbles drive me nuts, those get blown out. So now here comes the Gardenia, and I'm going to do 3, 6, 9. I'm going to make it nice and strong at about 12 milliliters. Stirred in well. Gardenia didn't have a lot of color in there. Fragrance oil, so that's good. If I wanted to color it, it would be easy. Just because there's always a few drips left in the dropper. But I'm going to keep this white. Can you smell that? Gardenia. It's my girlfriend's favorite. I bet she'd like that Kai too, though. There was a perfume when I was in college. This girl always wore Jungle Gardenia. Oh, I loved it. My husband hates Gardenia. Now I'm going to take this and you over to the molds. So let's get you in view. And then I keep the little guest size ready in case, oh, I gotta get my alcohol. And just to make things flow better, I like to spray the mold first. And then pour into the mold. Then I try to even them out. Let's see, a little more in there, a little more in here, and a little more in here. There's a little bit left, but I might be able to fit them in. And then I spray the alcohol to get rid of the bubbles. And as it cools, it goes down a little bit, and I only have just a little bit left in here, so that I can fit it in. And get every little bit. One more little spritz. And it came out perfectly. I'm gonna let these get hard. I'll unmold, I'll wrap, and I'll do one more scent so that I've got 3 in this medallion shape, because I think that'll be pretty on my table. So I waited till the next day, because you give at least 4 hours, and I like to photograph them, so if I unmold them in the morning, then I have plenty of time. Let's see how that did. Oh, this is the gardenia that we just showed. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I can smell. It's just delightful. So, set those down. Silicone is so nice and flexible to go like that, to just pop out compared to the hard plastic. And so there's the 3 gardenias. I have to smell. Oh, this is so nice. It reminds me of Hawaii or something. Something tropical. And then cut enough. I gotta cut the reach clear over to there, and it did. So then, about that little piece, pull down, and I don't care if it's a mess there yet. I'm gonna do this other side. Get rid of those wrinkles. Pull down, pull down, pull down, and then this side, trim some of this business off. So you don't want all that bulk, don't need it. The label's gonna sit on top. And then I just try not to get stuck. And press it down, and there is the medallion of Kai. Do another one. Put him kind of in the middle. Fold and fold. And that works enough. I don't need to trim it. Pull, pull. Open up this end, because all it did was just get crunched by my hand. Pull and pull. And then trim. Nothing to it, right? All part of the process. Ta-da! Okay, I'm going to turn you off, and I'm going to finish up the last one. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.